Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, Ikavelam. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm so sorry for not posting. Guys, I had a lot. I'm gonna explain it when I get to Ries. Mind you, we are traveling. This vlog is gonna be of me going back to Ries. School started today and I'm still at home. Are you judging me? Okay, I thought you were judging me. But anyways, guys, I do hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe. And thank you to the 40 subscribers. I love you loads, Kesign. Guys, I want to show you my outfit. But then you guys are not going to see properly. But yeah, I'm wearing this cropped. What? And the sweatpants. No jersey. I'm not excited. I'm not. Don't be fooled by my smile and everything. I'm not excited. I don't want to go. I swear to God, guys, if this video goes up, because I'm still using the same old phone, laying complaining about quality, and this is a front camera. I don't know how many times I must clean it, but I'm trying to show you guys what my mom got me. Okay, I don't know why I'm also wearing this, but I'm sure I broke my tripod. I'm suffering. Woo! But I'm wearing this. I'm gonna be wearing it when I'm going later. I'm gonna be wearing it when I'm going. I just want to show you guys this thing. I just want to show you guys what my mom got me. She got me Jungle Oats, the instant porridge. I love this one, the vanilla flavor. Nama munchies. I love them. And then she also got me Future Life. Yeah, my mom got me those. She said that I must eat. But anyways, yeah, guys, I'm still packing Jengamanje. Guys, did I show you? I'm complaining about everything, guys. One thing about two things, I'll complain about anything and everything. The hairstyle didn't come out the way I wanted it to. But okay. This is the back. Sure, guys, I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm gonna show you guys then. And look. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done dressing. I was just trying it on. I've been yelling at Nisale. And then but sure, guys. Let's pack together. Let us pack together as a family. I love you. Activity. Probably be waiting forever. So how does it sound? I was on the ground giving you my love. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now. You gotta stay ready. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now.
Tell me find your spot with the warning that I might slip. And when you climb on top, that's the ultimate road trip. Ride on me like your pot, got me thinking it's 96. I can rap on some 90 shit, wrap your leggings around my hip. I'm so hip to it, tourists wanna come speculate. But if I stay monogamous, promise this kiss will always taste like candy. And yeah, it's obvious, mom and them probably can't stand me. I'm sure they tired of this look that you have when you're antsy. We gon' fuck around, we gon' fuck around and triple through triplets of babies right now. And that might break the record. And no, that don't mean you're fertile, that mean we're fucking reckless. Plus we don't use protection. I find myself reading no text messages when I'm bored. We find ourselves sex until that connection is restored. I know that sounds immature, but if we never grow up, then I'm wishing good luck on the seats that's inside this Porsche. Come to me, come to me. Look at what you done to me. You put a gun to me, then you brought the sun to me. Shine like blood diamonds, learning to have patience only cause you are timeless. The universe energy doesn't lie, and this chemistry is infinity at 1,000,000 times. I wrote 1,000,000 rhymes describing your star power, and after 24 bars, you get 24 hours.
Oh yeah, there's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now. You gotta stay ready, yeah. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now. That's why I stay ready.
I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. We're not done as yet. I still have a lot of things to do. But a bunch as soon as you do that, like Koning. Well, guys, I don't know if this thing is zoomed in my face, but guys, let me tell you something. I voted. I'm sure we were voting that time to vote. I still have that mark. Literally, I still have it. Sabotango May 29, July 9, 8, and I still have this mark. Chelsea, come on now. To tell you guys about the reason for me not posting. I wasn't posting because we all know, guys, my phone. The quality of my phone. So I was demotivated every time I picked the camera. It's giving my visa, then I want to see let me stop because I can't give you guys shitty content because you guys are not gonna subscribe, right? So the quality has to be nice. So okay, mind you, I'm using the back camera because I still haven't gotten a new phone, but I'm gonna get it. I don't know when. I just didn't have time. The time I was home, and then I was home. When I'm home, I have nothing interesting, literally, because I'm always at home. And the other reason was that I was, because exam season, first semester, when I came, first semester. Hey, well, guys, first semester whooped my ass at Doana. Second year, first semester, I'll never forget that semester in my entire life. But it's fine, we're done with that semester. Go down here. Like, it was literally all the time it was. And this other day I was writing 2 exams on the same day, my majors, mind you. So I really needed time to prepare for those exams and all of those stuff. Guys, first semester I'm even thinking of dropping one module. Not even thinking, I will drop it tomorrow Jengi, because I'm going to a Mega City to buy food. I don't think I'll have time. You guys, my hand is paining. But anyways, yeah, guys, love you. I'm back and I'm better. I'll be using that back camera with my hand because I broke my tripod. Yeah, now you guys, I come guys, I can't even see myself. Angas